This is a 5-minute update. This is a 5-minute update for March 30th, 2009. The Dow Jones Industrial Average dropped Monday after U.S. Treasury Secretary Timothy Geithner announced that financial firms may need more bailout money. Today, President Obama revealed plans to help the automakers, but there will be conditions for this help. President Obama said in a recent interview that the auto industry is less popular than the banking industry. This may help explain why the banks are getting an influx of funds, while the auto industry may have to restructure their businesses. Investors did not like the news. President Obama said, "We cannot and will not let the automakers vanish." Today he announced his administration will offer GM and Chrysler help for a limited time, but the automakers will have to work with their creditors, unions, and other stakeholders to fundamentally restructure their business. This time will be used to produce plans for their future that can justify a government investment. Investors did not want to hear that either. Wall Street would prefer the administration to just pump more money into the companies. The Bush administration wrote them a check from the TARP funds after Congress refused to help. Obama is asking the unions to work with the companies. This sent GM shares down 25% to $2.70 a share. The Japanese automakers fared a little better. Toyota lost just 3.14% of their value, falling to $63.53 a share. Nissan lost 7.59% of their value, falling to $7.30 per share, while Honda fell 5.38% to $23.39 per share. Compared to the trillions of dollars spent on bailing out the banks, the auto industry automakers are asking for a mere pittance. However, the unions are a huge problem for the American companies. Union activists call unionizing Toyota job one, and until the Japanese automakers are unionized, the playing field is not level. In a May 19, 2006 New York Times article, Eduardo Porter reported that health care costs add about $1,500 to the cost of each GM vehicle in the United States. Chrysler claims a health care cost of $1,400 per vehicle. Ford says its burden is around $1,100 per vehicle. The retirement packages for American companies are also more burdensome than Japanese companies. Porter says there is little the companies can do to renegotiate those plans. In fact, GM was forced to dissolve their retirement programs for non-union salaried workers hired after 1993 just to stay afloat. So why haven't the Toyota workers unionized? Toyota pays their employees very well, but when you include the benefits, Toyota employees actually make about half of what GM employees make. According to an article in December's USA Today, the average hourly wage the Detroit 3 pay union workers is not a lot more than the $26 average for the non-union workers at Toyota's U.S. plants and $24 at Honda's U.S. plants, the report indicated. But including benefits for the workers and retirees, the Detroit's auto workers' total hourly labor costs still average more than $70 versus less than $45 at the foreign-owned plants. Now, for commodities news. Although some commodities have risen in after-hours trading, gold, silver, oil, and natural gas settled lower on Monday. The dollar was stronger as European commodities floundered. The yen did better on Monday after it was announced that U.S. auto industries faced restructuring. This has been a 5-minute update. Remember to subscribe to our videos. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel.